warm and hearty welcome to everyone present over here. I, Dhanashri Bagmode, stand here in front of you all to tell the importance of Ayurvedic science in our day-to-day life. So, human body is the greatest creation of God, and it should be kept preserved and liable for performing various activities and to lead a peaceful and healthy life. Ayurveda is one of the ancient pathies which is gaining importance day by day on the well-being, happiness, mental peace and lifespan of the people. And I just want to define the lifespan. Sharirendra Sattvatma Sanyogo Dhari Jivitam Nityagascha Anubandhascha Paryayah Ayuh Uchyate. Sorry. I just don't want you all to confuse with the Sanskrit shloks. But I just wanted you all to know the meaning of lifespan that is told in Ayurveda. The meaning of lifespan is keeping our body, sense organs, mind and soul together and to make them work together as a single unit for years together. Now, I just want to ask you all a single question. Can anyone tell me why the ancient people were so fit and healthy compared to today's generations? And the answer is just so obvious. Just look at today's conditions, today's generations. People are having unhealthy lifestyle, unhealthy diet and unhealthy habits which has led to the invitation of many of the diseases that we are seeing today. Generations ago, people used to follow Ayurvedic lifestyle and they used to have a well-planned life. I just don't want to criticize anyone, but then people should also not compare between any of the pathies. As modern science has its own benefits and it also has many of the side effects. I don't see that Ayurveda does not have side effects. As according to Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So as per that, Ayurveda also has some of the side effects. But those are just nil. And those can be neglected also and can be reduced. To sin is better than cure. This saying is just so important. Ayurveda deals on the holistic healing and prevention rather than cure in the illness. It's not based on using the herbs and shrubs for medicines, but also it is based on purification of the body in a natural way, and also the environment that is present all over helps in creating a natural balance in the body. Furthermore, it just not deals with the physical health but also the mental and spiritual health of the people, and also by following the proper dinacharya, that is the daily habits and also the daily routine, and also the proper ritucharya, that is according to the seasons that we must follow, that is told by the acharyas. People will definitely lead a good and a healthy life. Of the elements that make up this whole universe, that is a Prithvi, Akash, Jala, Agni and Vayu, also form the basis for the science of Ayurveda. And Ayurveda deals with the dosha, dhatu, mala. By maintaining balance between these elements of the body, people can achieve a good and a healthy life. Three main dosha are the Vata dosh, Pitta dosh and Kapha dosh. These dosh are responsible for determining the physical characteristics and the personality traits in a person. Dosh controls the heart and the breathing functionality in addition to the excretory function. Vata dosh performs the similar functions as the air performs in the space. Violence also causes the same adverse effects caused by air in the space or environment. The dosha is believed to control the function, that is the hormonal function, the digestion and the body temperature. So when the pitta gets aggravated, there are many digestion related problems, that is indigestion, and also the temperature of the body raises. Dosha is what deals with the immunity system and overall strength of the person. The aggravated kapha is likely to give invitation to diabetes mellitus and cancer-like problems. Ayurveda has its popularity in using natural and non-invasive components in the medicine, unlike other treatments which introduce chemicals and toxins in our bodies. It is not only based on using medicines for treatment, but it also focuses on lifestyle changes, suggesting some yogic exercises dietary habits, that is changes in the dietary habits, and meditation, some breathing and relaxing exercises. It is believed that these some chronic elements can be treated by Ayurveda in a natural way, and that too by avoiding any surgery. Ayurveda aims at aligning your body, mind, and spirit in order to achieve a sound health. Meditation are going to have a positive impact on your physical condition and are going to relax your mind and muscles. A person who adopts the Ayurvedic way of living and knows proper diet for his or her body and exercises daily is surely going to improve your immune system and also your lifespan. So just try to follow the Ayurvedic lifestyle. Thank you.